Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 10. At the bank. A customer inquiring about opening a bank account. Example, I want to open a savings account, / please fill out this form. Complete above scenario. Answer, scenario, at the bank, a customer inquiring about opening a bank account. Characters, customer and bank clerk. Conversation. Customer, good morning. I'd like to open a bank account. Clerk, good morning. Sure. What type of account would you like to open, savings or current? Customer, I want to open a savings account. Clerk, all right. Please fill out this form with your personal details. Customer, thank you. What documents do I need to provide? Clerk, you'll need a copy of your ID proof, address proof, and 2 passport-sized photographs. Customer, can I use my Aadhaar card and PAN card for this? Clerk, yes, those will work. Do you have an initial deposit amount? Customer, yes, how much is required? Clerk, the minimum initial deposit for a savings account is 1,000 Indian rupees. Customer, all right, I have that ready. How long will it take to activate the account? Clerk, once we verify your documents, the account will be active within 24 hours. Customer, that's great. Thank you for your help. Clerk, you're welcome. Let me know if you need further assistance. This scenario helps students practice formal conversations and learn banking vocabulary. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.